morning. So today we will be cleaning the Breville Barista Express. I know it needs to be cleaned because this button right here is on Manuel on page 24, and it specifically says cleaning cycle. The cleaning light will illuminate when a cleaning cycle is required. This is a back flushing cycle and is separate from decalcifying. Insert the 1 cup filter basket into the portafilter, followed by the supplied cleaning disc, followed by 1 cleaning tablet. 1 cup cleaning portafilter. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here, followed by the supplied cleaning disc. So I'm going to look over here. What in the world is the cleaning disc? I think this is the cleaning disc. Let me take a look. I'm going to go back. Since I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm going to go back here to like where it shows all the different things that come with this unit. So I think this is it. Cleaning disc? Yes. Okay, so this is the cleaning disc right here, followed by the 1 cleaning tablet. So this came with 2 cleaning tablets. And so I'm going to go ahead and open that up and put it in there, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put in the cleaning tablet. As you can see, it just fits right into this little like circle here. Okay, and let's see, what do we do next? Lock the portafilter into the group head and place a large container beneath the portafilter spouts. Okay, so I got to take this, lock it in here. Okay, so I was able to find a relatively large container to go underneath. I found a pretty big plastic container to go right, and it slides right underneath and it'll sit by itself there. So let me go ahead and read the next thing. So step number 3 is to ensure the water tank is filled with cold water and the drip tray is empty. And I went ahead and did that. And let me go ahead and pan so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the water tank, and it is filled pretty much to the max. And then also drip tray is this right underneath here. So let me go ahead and show that it is empty. So you just slide it out like that. Okay, and then you can see that it's completely empty here. I need to clean it, but I just went ahead and emptied it. Okay, so I slid it back in. I'm gonna put that back underneath there. And so it says for step 3, okay, press the power button to switch the machine off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So now it's off. There's no lights on. Press the 1 cup and 2 cup buttons simultaneously, then also press the power button. Hold all 3 buttons together for approximately 10 seconds. Okay, press the 1 cup and 2 cups. So this is the 1 cup. And then press the power button. And hold all 3 buttons together for 10 seconds. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you what's happening here. So now the machine is on and it is actually cleaning. So you can see here that all that's coming down, or it was coming down a second ago, and it's going right into this container. It looks like this is the perfect size container as well. The 6th step said the cleaning cycle will commence and last for approximately 5 minutes. During this time, the water will intermittently flow from the portafilter spouts. Once complete, 3 beeps will sound. So it'll turn on and off, and I just leave it alone. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let that do its thing, and we will come back. so the button went off, and now as you can see, the clean me button is now not lit up at all, and it is ready. And then this is how much came out, and it is pretty dirty. But so you actually don't need this big of a container to clean it out. You can actually use a smaller one if you have a smaller one. But so that's it. That's how you clean the Breville Barista Express. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye.